Alright, so it's the payday, and you wonder how you can transfer your funds from PayPal to your bank account. And let's make it quick, because you probably want to do it as fast as possible. So first thing we need to do is go to transfer money, and now we have to link our bank account with PayPal. This is my new account, so I gotta do it as well, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so once you link your bank account with PayPal, let's click on continue. And now we can provide the amount you want to withdraw. In my case, I want it all, especially that it's not too much, something around $200. So let's click on continue. Proceed with everything once again. Okay, so that will be it for this video. You can leave a like if that was helpful, and you can subscribe to the channel to see how you can make your next withdrawals from PayPal bigger. And now that I came back on YouTube, I'll try to keep this channel as busy as possible with tutorials on make money online and tech things like that. So hope to see you in the next one. Peace.